Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're looking at the XFasten double-sided carpet tape, often regarded as the best carpet joining tape on the market. This tape is perfect for securing area rugs and carpets to hardwood floors, laminate, or even other carpets. Whether you're trying to prevent your rug from slipping or curling at the edges, this tape ensures a secure, long-lasting hold. Let's talk about what makes the XFasten carpet tape stand out. First of all, it's a double-sided tape, which means it sticks to both your rug and your floor. This offers an incredibly strong grip that keeps your carpets in place, even in high-traffic areas. It's ideal for everything from area rugs to gym mats and even stair treads. Unlike other tapes, the XFasten tape is made with a residue-free adhesive, so it won't damage your floors when it's removed. It's also repositionable, which means if you make a mistake or need to adjust the placement, you can easily lift and reapply it without losing adhesive strength. This tape is also incredibly versatile. Not only is it great for indoor use, but it's UV resistant, waterproof, and weatherproof, making it perfect for outdoor rugs as well. The tape works across a wide range of temperatures, from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it won't fail even in extreme conditions. And if you're worried about cleanup, it's vacuum-friendly, which makes it easy to maintain without disturbing your flooring. What sets this product apart from others on the market is its ability to hold firmly for up to 5 years. You won't need to worry about replacing it anytime soon, even in busy, high-traffic spaces. Additionally, the XFasten double-sided carpet tape is incredibly easy to use. Just cut to the desired length, peel off the protective layer, and apply it to your rug and floor. It's that simple. In terms of pricing, it's very affordable considering the durability and effectiveness of the product. For 30 yards, you get excellent value for money, and with the option of purchasing in bulk, it's even more economical for larger projects. Whether you're fixing down a rug in your living room or securing mats in your gym, this tape is a great solution. So, if you're tired of constantly adjusting your rugs or mats, the XFasten double-sided carpet tape is the perfect solution. It offers long-lasting security without the mess and damage of other tapes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there.